Hello everybody, it's a cold one today. Let's see if this 81 Chevy will start. You'll see how cold it is. It's cold enough that there's ice on the ground. What our temperature's looking like. Like it got down to 11 degrees last night. It's back up to 26, so I know the engine block and everything's still real cold. Go take a measurement. Let's see what we got here. It's pretty cool down there yet. Well, let's see what it does. Might get a towel to put down in the floor. See what happens. One pump. She did it. Power steering pump's not happy. Not at all. She's idling. power steering pump is settling down a bit. Will it go into gear? Of course. Not that I'm going anywhere today. But yep, it would be 100% ready to go today if I was able to take it out. Alright, we've warmed up a bit. The hood's warm enough, the ice is melted there. Everything sounded normal. That power steering pump just doesn't like the cold. So once again, a good cold start in the 81 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Let's do a bonus warm start. Oh yeah, she's ready to go. Once again, thank you for watching.